how to get back your Roblox account. In this video, I'll show you how you can get back your Roblox account. So to get started, go ahead and open roblox.com into your browser and then click on forgot password or email into this section. Now in here, go ahead and enter the email or phone number you've used to create your Roblox account. So these informations are usually very required. That means you need to enter one in between your email or phone number where you can receive the recovery code or link that Roblox will send to you. So go ahead and open Gmail if you've used your Gmail account to recover your Roblox account, and then on Gmail, look for that specific email from Roblox. So go ahead and open the email from Roblox and then go ahead and copy the code that Roblox has sent you. So once you've copied the code, go ahead and head back into the Roblox page and then paste this code. So once you have pasted the code, you need to create a new password for your Roblox account and make sure to keep a copy of this password on any application where you prefer to keep it. And that is how you can basically get back your Roblox account.